Max Plus M1 unboxing and hands-on. Well, that was a mouthful. This is the first near borderless phone from ASUS. The box comes in Chai's favorite color again. Over here on the side it says, "We love photo," which means this phone has dual cameras. And it looks like the phone comes in this navy blue, almost black body, just like the Zenfone 4 Max and the Zenfone 3 Zoom. It also comes in sunlight gold and azure silver. Let's start. Let's take the sleeve off, and inside we have another box with the jelly case. And here we have the phone itself, the Zenfone Max Plus M1. Let's remove the sticker and put the phone aside for now. Next up, user guide and warranty information. USB fast charger, headphones and extra ear tips, micro USB cable, unfortunately still not USB Type-C. We also have an OTG cable, and last but not the least, SIM ejector tool. While we power on the phone, roll spec sheet. The Zenfone Max Plus M1 is almost identical to the Zenfone 4 Max and Zenfone 3 Zoom with its dual cameras and all-metal back. But because of its new 18:9 aspect ratio, the phone doesn't feel as hefty despite its 5.7-inch display. Its battery is also smaller, making the phone feel significantly lighter. Up front, the bezels around the phone are smaller than ever. Although, compared to other borderless phones that we've seen before, they're actually pretty thick still, and could have fit the fingerprint sensor here at the bottom, which for us is a more natural position for unlocking phones, but that's just a preference. Like most phones in this price range, Face Unlock is also available in case the fingerprint sensor is hard for you to reach. Noticeably missing are the capacitive buttons that have become a staple on Zenfone. So on-screen buttons take up some of the added length on the display. Button and port placements are like this: volume rocker and power button on the right. On the left, a triple card slot for 2 nano SIMs and a micro SD card. Up top, headphone jack and microphone. And on the bottom, speaker grills and micro USB port. Again, not USB Type-C. Sorry, folks. The Zenfone Max Plus M1's dual camera setup also offers a secondary wide-angle camera like on the Zenfone 4 Max. By default, the wide-angle lens takes 18:9 photos, so it doesn't necessarily capture more than the standard lens does, but you can switch to the 4:3 aspect ratio for a wider field of view. The phone takes good photos with enough lighting, but quality of indoor